Hi guys! Welcome to Athena.LOL. Today we're going to be opening. Do you guys know what I'm going to be opening though? You will see after I show. But before that, we're going to show you what we ate from Toronto. And then we're going to show you where I got this new toy.
Food.
Good?
The food is good? Yeah? Oh, careful. And the cheese. Playing with cheese. Look at noodles. Yummy?
Hi guys! Another ice cream shop. Get ice cream.
Yeah?
There's ice creams in the store. I got myself some strawberry ice cream. So yummy. Now it's time to go back to our toys. Yay! We're gonna open a Frozen 2 doll. So let's open it. Guys, let's start opening it now.
Guys, this toy, if you want to open it, you need a parent to help you because it was a real struggle for us to open it. It took about 10 minutes with scissors and everything because there was a lot of wires and like a lot of duct tape and everything.
So guys, I got a scarf for my doll, and I have two pair of shoes for my doll, and it comes with a bed and a blanket and a pillow, also the scarf, you know, and a changing closet and another pair of clothes and a hanger and a pillow and a brush. Okay, Elsa is going to bed. So her first pair of shoes. These are her slippers. Hey, her pillow is getting stuck on her hair. And also it comes with a necklace, and I don't know where the doll's necklace went. Wait, the pillow's not on. And it comes with the bed, of course. Because Elsa needs to rest. the aerially. Close the aerially. Put on her slippers. Oh, her bed is gonna fall. Her shoe. Her inside shoe. Inside shoe is hard. Her inside shoe is hard to get on. Okay, that's all I know of. Here's the next necklace for Elsa. I add on the necklace. This is what Elsa looked like when she woke up in the middle of the night. Of course, I'm back from Toronto. Elsa! So guys, I told you everything, so now it's time to play. This is what her arms look like. And guys, tell me, comment in below if you guys like Frozen too, because my favorite princess is Elsa and Anna. But I don't have the character Anna, but I have the big version. Elsa's not naked anymore. What do you want, everybody? So this is what Elsa looks like when she's in the video. Her dress is purple and her hair is braid. And she has a necklace, and I'm gonna take off the band because Elsa's hair doesn't have any tie. Elsa's hair is not braided when she is in the video. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna pretend this is the balcony. Wait, this is actually a door. What's that noise? Should open the door and go downstairs. And my slippers in. first, let me brush my hair. And then celebrate my homemade birthday. So guys, I'm brushing Elsa's hair. Guys, this is what Elsa looks like. Say hi, Elsa. Hi guys. Hi guys, my name is Elsa. Do you guys like my outfit? You do? Thank you. Let me go to bed. I need to go to bed. Bye bye.
See you guys next time.